let's go down here. Twitch.tv. Boom, 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 boom. And then we'll go restream chat. Sending data. There we go. Look at my own channel. Update profile. Yes, I could. That looks like my baby right there. So in theory, I should be live online. Oh, no. Online channel. FAANG interview and study group. Okay, so that's running. We'll leave chat open. Close that down and get rolling here. So what else do we need? We need the GitHub repo to be open. Go GitHub coding interview practice. Go up over here, coding interview practice. Okay, so as a hiring manager, can I do that? No, it's not gonna. So I can do this side. Doom, Jim. Okay. So first things first. How to use this repository as a hiring manager. Use of this code repository is to pre-evaluate the rhythm practice. I've done within each folder under, let's move, let's do this. New folder, let's go challenges. Go bam. Move both of those into challenges, yes. And then we will say within each folder under challenges is a separate coding test. You can, within GitHub, so if I go GitHub, click the screen, print screen. Here, actually, that's print screen. So let's save this. File. Save as C drive W. Let's not save that on screen. What if I have other weird stuff down in there? Coding interview practice. We'll make a folder called new folder images, and we go bam, and this one will be called GitHub history tab. This tab. And so then we go up here. So we should have an images. Oh, that's in the wrong spot. Yes. Within look the history tab to view the final code as well. Commits that got me there. And so an image goes like this. History tab. Hello, welcome. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. This is History tab. Sample. Go there and sample. Sample, and it is images slash GitHub .png. As a student, take to go through the interview study guide planning document to get a sense overall flow. What are we saying about the overall flow? We're probably going to say that, well, I don't know what I've built yet, so it's probably going to be structure will have a recommended path towards studying broken out into chapters of mastery, after which hopefully you will be ready to take a coding interview. I have every from paying from the reading I've that this can take from 4 months year to complete. So now I have to make a document for wait, what's going on here? Images, challenges. These two are supposed to be in the challenges folder. Yes, move. Do what I say and move. Close that. So, why are you not moving? I'm going to do it in the file system instead. D coding interview practice, string to ink. Okay. Challenges. Try again. Oh, it's open in another program. Close window. Close window. Try again. Work this time. Let's open again with code. Open with code. So here we go. So let's make a commit. Called it reorganized. Planning. Okay, so save all and commit. What's still open? Cancel. Interesting. That was unexpected. Okay. Here we go. Oh my God, I'm so dumb. Okay, doop, doop. Now let's just click the go button. Yes. We'll do that. Merge conflicts. Oh, was I? Yes, I was editing this online. That goes, so accept current change, and I had rewritten this tiny portion. Okay. Why are you upset? How to use this repository. Oh, because that needs a new line there. That needs a new line there. Okay, so resolved conflicts. Okay. Try pushing again. Here we go. So, would you like, yes, I would love to do that. So if I do this, there we go, FAANG planning. Now, what do we need here? Delete that, delete that. Make a new README. Changes. No, where's my solution files? New file. The new file will be called interview study path.md. Study syllabus? Did I spell syllabus right? Syllabus. Yes. Oh, I'm so smart. Aren't I wonderful? Okay. Study syllabus. First thing we've got to do is see if one of these already exists on GitHub. So FAANG interview syllabus GitHub. Tech interview handbook. Tech coding interview can okay, lots of good things available. So 9 public repositories matching FAANG interview. Complete placement preparation. So let's look at you. Not interested in you. Not interested. Coding interview 101. Filtered with company. Okay. Like I don't want the solutions. I actually want. There we go. Let's try these 2. Are these forks? Ooh, well, this one has icons. Oh, but this one has lots of PDFs and icons. Okay. So, placement preparation. Okay, so step 1 is we reference the other work that's gone before us. All files via upload, license, initial commit, Jan 13th of 2021, Jan 30. Okay, so get rid of you. Okay. Materials. Oh, this is the self-study course guide. This document is a work in progress. Will contain all materials related to a recommended study to go from experienced coder to FAANG interview passing megastar. Oh, so exciting. Now, 1, 2. Okay. External resources. Space. We will link to complete placement preparation. It's a lot of stars. I didn't check the other one for stars. So, but if I recall this, let me see what some of these look like. Algorithms PDF. Top 10. Oh, man, if this is, oops, click here. Well, let's back out of that. Um, a little. Okay, so, no, but let's go back anyways. Wait, cancel. Like, why couldn't you just link to that using a single document? That's super bad. I might go back to the other one. So let me see. What about the one up here? That's the one, and then go down here. The one with 0 stars. I actually, mm, this just a fork of the other one without the garbage in it? Okay. Um, so this coding interview 101. So let's just read this. Or, hold on, there was a video I will pull up on another page. So, how to get a job? Who's messaging me? Nice. Hey, Joseph. Okay. Oh my God, Dogecoin is up 400%. If I was smart enough to buy some of that, I would be a big deal. Okay. How to get a job at FAANG. YouTube video. Let's first go to history because there was a good one right here. Okay, let's watch it. Let's watch and see what we got. Okay. Okay. Oops. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Okay. But okay, I'm not worried about outreach, so we're gonna skip this. He's not wrong. So let's pull that out and put that into the document. Okay. First, link up the YouTube video. No, this is just a star. Um, um, Video includes basic tips on getting noticed. However, um, there are points about how to deliver messaging during the interview process. Not a star. How do you do it? Is it colon star? Let's look at preview. Colon star space. What about space? Ah, excellent. Optimize anything you deliver. Optimize your experience stories around impact, meaning explain what you did and how important that thing was. Was a 10K change in a 1 million change? Tell stories about the big numbers. Okay, cool. Resume. 40 hours prep. Oh, 40 hours prep. 100 hours prep. And I'm going to be doing months. Okay. Well, maybe I don't. Maybe I don't have to do months. I think I do. For the learning the algos, I probably do, just to make sure that I can nail it. Okay, so the coding test, that's the first hurdle. The 45-minute, that was a 45-minute phone screen. Our hiring process. Whoa, let's put that in there. I wonder if the other ones are in there too. Okay, so consider a marathon. It is a lot of work. Rock. Work. Okay. Star. This is a star top level resource. Rears dot. Um, various. There you go. This is why more people are not in FAANG companies, because this is a lot of work. Um, check out the various hiring guides. Check out the various hiring guides. Google. Google. Okay, so bum 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 bum, and we can link one to star space, save. Okay, job searching. Now, Amazon.jobs. Hmm. Oh, well, look at that. This is exactly what he's prepare for assessments. Here we go. Here we go. Let's keep the Amazon one. Google star Amazon squiggle paste. Let's see. Here we go. So I've seen the Facebook one. I don't want the Facebook one right now. Let's see. Uber hiring process. Drive, nope. Coding for engineer. Interview process. Navigating Uber and beyond. Okay. Who else? Shopify. I wonder if Netflix has a good one too. Shopify does not provide a guide. Netflix interview process. No, that's not what someone who's few things. One thing to keep in mind is not okay. Interesting. Okay, so okay, okay. Oof, it's tough, eh? One person doesn't like you and you're cooked. The evidence, generally planned. Yeah. Okay, so they probably just do the same thing that everybody else does. No. Inside scoop. Reputation. Having no internship. Extremely high. Um, transparent. 3 weeks on average. Okay, screen, on-site, 2 parts, 4 interviews. Second part with a meeting with 2 directors. Okay. Oh, there we go. Here we go. So that's actually a different topic though. This is backup star. Learn the values of your um, target. Net Netflix. Shoop, shoop. Which is probably work hard and get fired anyways. Work hard and get. I'm not going to put that. But everybody knows. Everybody knows what they do. We all know that if you get Netflix, you're there for a short time. Um, Here we go. Bum 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 bum. Learn the values of the targeted company. I'll add others as I find them. Okay. Amazon hiring guides. You know what? The Facebook hiring guide is really good, even if. So Facebook hiring guide. I have seen this one somewhere. How we hire. Okay, let's go back to the video. Here we go. These were okay, back to play. Interview flow. 40. These are 5 interviews. 45 minutes each. No lunch. Sad face. Okay. 40 to 100 hours prep. Must consider that's a lot of work. Okay. For impact. For coding interview. Bam. Coding interview. Key points. Star. No syntax. Java, Python, Ruby, probably Go, C Sharp, maybe, hopefully. That would be nice. Okay, no syntax of languages. No how memory management works. No common tools and how they memory. That one got me once. Okay. Um, for expect be asked about times when you have, quite honestly, achieved something and made an impact. Back to have a good answer for why should we hire you? Okay, so okay, that's 2019. I've been told it's changed, but um, what were some? Oh, culture. That is actually more part of this one. Let's go right there. Culture. Make sure you know and understand of the organization you are joining. For example, talk how frugal you are at Amazon. Don't roll up in a pair of Yeezys. Okay. Um, and then um thought prepare for thought experiment questions. How many footballs fit in work through process of how you would solve problem. For example, maybe ask which stadium are footballs inflated? I don't know. I honestly have no idea. I have no idea what to do with these questions. Seem mean. Okay, but explain that in a good way. Okay. Talk about the things. Do not say we. Okay. Do not say we. Make sure you talk about just the things you do. There's no we in team or something like that. Okay. Um, make sure you talk through your coding problems out loud. Excellent. That's what twitching is good for. Okay. Um, conceptualization, not memorization. Let's listen to what he's saying right there. Make sure, in one example, the interviewee said they didn't know how to solve the problem and got the job anyways by working through concept in real time. Practice the algos, but if you can't, then work through. Okay. Conceptualization, not memorization. Okay, what's use data? Where would I get data? Okay. Swear to God, I have that. Why don't I see it? I must have it on PDF or something. Yeah, that happens. Okay. Oh, I can't wait for that story. I can tell you lots of people have not liked me in the past. Okay. Um, Amazon leadership principles. Amazon principles. Copy. Amazon. Bar raiser. A 4 of the 5 interviewers will be on your team while one will not be. This person will be in as an objective third party to ensure the team not make in hiring. Um, Third party to ensure the team does not make mistakes in hiring. And you don't really, everybody has a veto in the process from what I understand. So, okay, so there's round 1 of things to do. Let's commit the work so far. Let's see. Bow, down, bow, bow, bow. Manage my channel. Okay. Manage my channel directly from my phone. Self-study course. Interview study syllabus. Let's make sure we link to it. Um, Find resources, links, and notes in all aspects. The actual hiring process as best we know. Here. Interview study syllabus. This isn't really a syllabus. They're just guides, whatever. .md. Okay, so commit both of those. Interview guide notes. So now step 2, I assume, is to start reading some of these things. So let's go here. Down here. Okay, so there's as a student, and oh, I still have yet to push it. Okay. So I guess one of the things you gotta do is, so I know that hint interview syllabus note the languages. Interview Java. Okay. Uber is known to hire across any to to okay. What are we gonna do? It's a student. Click here. So good. Hiring guides from Amazon. Online application. Assessments. Prepare for assessments. Meet a few Amazonians. Treasure truck. Develop your career. You should come to Amazon. So let's go to these principles. This is important for them. Oh, but there was a better link. There was a nicer looking link. Let's close this. Amazon, open. Start with customer and work backwards. Vigorously. Leaders pay attention to competitors. They obsess over the customer. Ownership. Leaders are owners. Think long term and don't sacrifice long term value for short term results. Very good. That sounds like a good place to work. Behalf on beyond their own team. They never say that's not my job. Excellent. Invent and simplify. Look for new ideas. They are not limited by not invented here. Leaders are right a lot, strong, diverse. Leaders never done learning and always seek to improve themselves. Curious about new possibilities and act to explore them. Leaders raise the performance bar with every hire and promotion. They recognize exceptional talent, but leaders develop leaders and take seriously their role in coaching others on behalf of other people to invent mechanisms for development like career choice. Um, okay, let me see what we have here. We go, oh, let's mute this. Um, okay, hire and leaders raise the performance bar with every hire and promotion. We've seen that one. Highest standards. You just have to memorize this stuff, I guess, right? You think that's what you do? You think you just memorize this? Check. Oh, I see. Okay. I see. That's what's going on. That's why I always have one viewer. Um, highest standards. Think these standards are unreasonably high? I mean, like, but do they? Their UI is so clunky. Oh, okay. Thinking big is a self-fulfilling process. Yes, leaders agree. Bold. Okay. Bias for action. Speed memory. Okay. Frugality. Geez, I guess that works. Okay. Leaders listen to speak candidly. They are vocally, even when doing so. Leaders do not believe. Earn trust. That's a strange way of saying. Yeah, okay. No, I think that's like saying deliberate self-reflection, deep dive. Um, yeah, that sounds good. I'd like to do that. I'd like to. Okay, the coding interview. Read about the process. See some common. Now, that's very. Is this? Oh, this is not actually. Read about the process. Honestly, this is pretty good. What am I saying? It's actually is this pre-screen, screen with a hiring manager, code collab edit, or take home aside. Oh, that's very nice. So on-site interviews, so 6 to 8 hours. I would honestly rather do an 8 hour test than a 1 hour high pressure test. On-site interviews, that's probably a lot more. Um, first half is 4 interviews, second half is 3 interviews. 2 months, what normally minimal coding in there. Culture deck plus design. What languages? C sharp. C sharp is at Netflix. Okay. Okay, so let's add that to this is actually probably a top level. Actually, star space. Coding interview. Um, Infographic type the for various FAANG plus side alongside detailed descriptions. Possibly the best first resource for the grind of Pascal. Well, let's see. But make sure you paste the link codinginterview.com. Control X, Control Delete. Codinginterview.com. Copy. And that is just assuming that they have more than just Netflix. So let's look at. It's funny because oh, okay. Amazon, Google. Yeah, see, Adobe. Adobe's in the list. Oh man. Yeah, this is really cool. And oh, oh, hello. Oh, this might be literally like everything you need. Okay, so like Adobe, read about the process, pros, cons. Seven interviews, 1.5 months. Assessment phone, five. Technical. Okay. Okay. Well, don't. Okay. This one. Okay. Most done on Zoom. 1 to 2 talent pairing exercise. Ruby. Okay. Okay, ICT2. Two-on-one interviews. Lunch is an interview. Don't have to wait. I don't know what that means. 6 FaceTime interview. Interviewing his team. Okay. What's this site make it in? It's really pretty. Oh, it's a web packer. Okay. Wix Thunderbolt. Preload. Oh my gosh, how interesting. Maybe I should pick up Webpack. Look at all these fonts. Oh no, these are class. Okay. Okay, let's back up. How many individuals? So the Facebook, oh, pirate system, Ninja Pirate Jedi. Okay. Okay. Microsoft. Um, 4 to 5 1-hour interviews, a lunch interview. Free screen and then 4 to 5. Okay. Entry level. Okay. Huh. Oof, that would be devastating. Okay. Google. Coding is done on a whiteboard or Chromebook. These can't be very skill. Okay. Okay. 6 to 8 weeks. Leave that one open. Okay. 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 Yes. Okay, planning of 3 parts. Okay. Bow, bow. Actually, I really need to know that for my Azure function as well, so this will be fun to read. Because they charge you in your Azure functions for the amount of memory you use. And, haha. Okay, let's start with this one. Is it 9 o'clock? When did I start? So that's 2 hours, 2.5 hours. C# memory management, part one. Where's part two? Does she have part two? Three-part series. Oops. You cheeky bugger. Okay. Okay, so let's start with the Microsoft article, memory management and garbage collection. Let's start with let's start with not that one. Okay. Part 1, 2, and 3. Um, let's see. No. Okay, stack and heap. Stack and heap are last in, first out structure. Yes. Resets the popping all of the methods. So let me. Heap can be viewed as a random jumble. It allows objects to be allocated in order, variables allocated on the heap have their memory allocated at runtime, and accessing this memory is a bit slower, but the heap size is almost by the size of the heap requires. So stacks are super fast, heaps are very slow. C# has a stack and a okay. Let's summarize those notes from part 1. Four minutes. Ha, 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 as my son would say. Ha, ha, ha. But they're stacks. Instead, they are last in, first out. Heaps slower. Oh, fast. Limited memory. Slower. Abundant. Memory that can be accessed in any order and accessed and allocated in any order. Okay, I'm getting tired. I'm going to have to shut down the stream, which is fine because nobody came anyway.